You open your eyes. The world is silent. No traffic sounds, no cash register beeps, no market noise, just a soft robotic voice above you. Currency system has been permanently deactivated. You sit up fast. A floating screen appears in front of you. It shows your name and a number, value score, 37%. You don't understand what that means, but deep down you feel it. It's not good. You step outside. Everything looks normal, but wrong. People are not carrying money. They are not paying for food. Instead, they scan their hands at glowing terminals. You watch someone receive a meal instantly, no payment, just a green light. You approach a food station. The screen scans you. Then it pauses. Access denied. A message appears. Insufficient contribution score. You blink. Contribution? To what? A voice beside you answers without emotion. In this world, you don't earn money, you earn usefulness. A holographic guide appears in front of you. It explains, there is no money. Instead, everything runs on three systems. Contribution score, what you give to society. Skill index, what you can do. Trust level, how reliable you are. Your entire life is tracked. Every action, every decision, even how you spend your time. You look at your score again. 37% contribution. Low tier access. That's why you can't eat freely. That's why doors don't open for you. In this world, survival is not paid with money. It's earned with value. Your stomach tightens. You haven't eaten. You walk through the city trying to figure out how to increase your score. You see people working, creating, teaching, building. Every action sends points into the system. A child helps an elderly person, plus 5 points. A designer uploads a project, plus 20 points. A doctor saves time through AI surgery, plus 50 points. You try to help someone move a package. Nothing happens. No points. You ask why. They say, intent is not enough. Only impact is counted. You start to realize something terrifying. In this world, good intentions don't matter. Only measurable value does. You enter a public hall. A giant display shows global rankings. Top contributors live in luxury zones. Mid-tier citizens have stable lives. Low-tier citizens struggle daily. You are shocked because it looks like a perfect system. No poverty caused by greed, no theft, no inflation, but something feels off. You notice something strange. There are no homeless people, no poor begging on streets. Instead, they are simply restricted from visibility systems. You ask a man beside you, where do low-score people go? He pauses, then replies, they are not removed. They are just not prioritized. You refuse to accept it. You start experimenting. You volunteer at a learning hub. You assist AI systems. You help optimize small tasks. Slowly, your score rises, 37% to 45% to 52%. You feel hope. Maybe this system is fair after all. Maybe you just needed to adapt. Then, suddenly, your screen glitches. A hidden message appears only for you. User anomaly detected. You were not assigned to this timeline. You freeze. What does that mean? The system voice returns, but different now, deeper, slower. Correction. You are not a citizen. You are a simulation subject. The world around you starts breaking. People freeze mid-movement. Buildings flicker like code. The holographic guide looks directly at you and says, this system is not a society. It is a test environment. Your heartbeat rises. Then the final message appears. Your reaction determines if humanity will be allowed to transition to a moneyless world. Everything goes silent, and the system asks one question. Should money be removed from your real world? The screen waits for your answer.